My name is Zohal, and I never made a YouTube video before. This is my first one. I just wear a jacket, and the first thing you have to do with a jacket is zip it up. So, you see this right here, you gotta put it in the zip. So, I put it in, and then zip it up. Okay guys, so the other thing is, rain is really good for plants. It makes it grow, gets fresh, and also for gardens, if you have a garden in your house, it's really good for that too. So, rain is good because it can wash the cars. It's a free car wash. So, the next thing we need is an umbrella, because when the clouds get dark, it's gonna rain soon. So I'm gonna open my umbrella, and you have to keep the umbrella on your head and make sure it keeps it safe. You guys see why you guys need an umbrella? Because so you don't need to get wet. My head is safe, my feet, everything.
Florida, it rains so hard. But it gets sunny right after.
Okay guys, I want my first video to get like 900 likes.